Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the Tomato Basil Paneer Masala, a low-calorie version of the highly popular Paneer Butter Masala. To marinate, in a large bowl, mix together 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon corn flour, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, coarsely ground Garam masala made from 6 cloves, 10 peppercorns, 1 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 5 green cardamoms, and 1 star anise. Add in 2 tablespoons chopped fresh basil leaves. Mix well. Add in 200 grams of paneer, cut into bite-sized pieces. Mix until well coated. Leave it to marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and saute until translucent. Add in 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute for a minute or two. Next, add in 1.5 cups tomato puree and 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Cook until the liquid dries up. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Do not add the marinated paneer now, or the curd might curdle. Once the mixture has cooled down, keeping the flame on low heat, add in the marinated paneer. Mix well. Cook until the gravy begins to bubble. Turn off the heat. Do not overcook, or the gravy might curdle. The tomato basil paneer masala is ready to serve. Garnish with fried basil leaves and serve with lachha parathas. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.